got what they want when I kick it. OE for the OGs, I got mad fines for these tickets. No love for the police, I got paid a bit, now I'm vicious. Low key, moving slowly, I got bad hoes in my missus. I work hard as fuck, I work CCC. Keeping all of my hoes burning GDP. Get it west side, give it CDs free. It's for all of my bros on EBT. Loyalty I be till my heart collapses. Ballin' so hard for the march madness. Take a shot for Justin, take a shot for Grandpa. If I got the pussy, they should go private after we smoke. I so low, just a liability, I ride solo. Timberland boots, never been polo. I pull up in a coupe, then it's on a pogo. Jumping up and down from the sign of the 808. New bitch from the 808. You switch up the rate of pay, now I'm on top, and these women never stay away. I got what they want when I kick it. OE for the OGs, I got bad fines for these tickets. No love for the police, I got paid a bit, now I'm vicious. Low key, moving slowly, I got bad hoes in my missus. Need a new whip, need a few chips, take a few sips of that 2020. That's mad dogs, we mad dog. Whatever cats mention in my last song. Got ambition, grams listed. Ready for the turn up with the grams twisted. Need a Heineken, need a finer pen. Need to write down shit every time I send. Been down and out, got a hoe at home. Never drink too much, gotta hold my own. Never hold Patron, can't throw that back. In the house party, chillin' with the old side cap. Gotta flow that slap, gotta blow that trap. I'm too independent, I could never hold back raps. Not an OG, you don't smoke for free. And every time I hit the block, you gotta notice me. Cause I got what they want when I kick it. OE for the OGs, I got bad fines for these two.